Yes guys, welcome to a brand new video. My name is Conan and today it is Sunday, which means... what does that mean? It means that it's meal prep time, so let's get into it. So if you're like me or any other person for that matter and you have a job, you probably don't have access to staying at home all day and cooking your meals fresh. And you probably don't want to waste your money either by going out to eat every single day. So the best way to fix that issue is to meal prep. Now for those of you that are unfamiliar with the term meal prep, it basically means that you prep your meals. Pretty much. So that's exactly what we're going to be doing today. We're in the kitchen right now, as you guys can tell, and we're going to be prepping 3 meals. So let's get into it. So the game plan is we're going to batch cook as much food as we possibly can, and then we're going to divide it into 5 separate meals. Alright, so behind me we got the protein, the carbs, and the fats, and now all we have to do is just cook it and put it into meals. Now first things first, we're gonna cook the rice. And now when it comes to the rice, I like to put a lot in a pot so I don't have to individually make a new batch of rice every single day. So again, we're gonna batch cook as much as we possibly can. So again, we're gonna be cooking the rice, and then I'll do the same thing with the chicken and the beef. Now guys, with the chicken breast, I like to trim off the excess fat because I don't want that on my chicken breast. If you're not too picky with that, you can just simply cook it as it is. But for me, I like to trim off the fat. That stuff right there, yeah, that's kind of gross. Alright, now when it comes to seasoning my chicken breast, I'm a very simple guy. All I really need is just some seasoning salt. And this is pretty much like an all-in-one kind of seasoning. So in here is salt, paprika, turmeric, garlic powder, and onion powder. So it's basically like an all-in-one type of seasoning, and I actually really enjoy it. So if you guys can pick it up, I think you can get it in most places. So seasoning salt is all I use for my chicken. So with the chicken, I'm very fortunate to have an air fryer. If you guys don't have an air fryer, you can just simply put it on a pan, cook it until it's cooked, or you can put it in the oven and cook it until it's cooked. So for me, I'm gonna use the air fryer. I'm gonna set it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or Celsius. I think Fahrenheit, yeah, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm gonna put 2 chicken breasts in for about 20 minutes. So the beef that I use is this extra lean ground beef, so it has 9 grams of fat and 21 grams of protein per 100 grams. So again, when it comes to the beef, I'm not too picky either. I still like to use my seasoning salt as well, and I'll add some additional flavors to this as well, like salt, pepper, and some Italian spices too. Now this is optional, but if you want, you can drain all the excess fat from the beef. Look how much fat I drained from that. Like, that's quite a bit. Damn. Imagine drinking this entire thing. I mean, I think you'd literally die. Now, once everything is cooked, we're gonna portion it out into individual meals. So the beef is cooked, the chicken is ready, and the rice is cooked. Now, all we gotta do is put all of this into our containers. Let's go. So what I like to do for the first meal is take 200 grams of cooked rice with 100 grams of cooked chicken breast and 1 whole avocado. With the second meal, I like to do 200 grams of cooked rice with 100 grams of cooked beef and then 3 balls of spinach. So these are the 2 meals I bring with me to work. So I'll have one of them for lunch and then the other for dinner. So both these meals will be my lunch and my dinner, and then my other meals I'll eat, I'll make them the day of. So I'll show you guys exactly what those meals are tomorrow. So I'll see you guys then. Alright guys, so we just got a nice little delivery from My Protein. So what we got is the fruity cereal flavor. This, I assume, is gonna be like a fruity cereal flavor. I'm actually really looking forward to trying this because I recently tried the marshmallow cereal flavor, which literally tasted like Lucky Charms. So I'm hoping this tastes similar to like Fruit Loops or something. So I'll definitely try this out tomorrow and let you guys know. Next up, we got the chocolate mint flavor. Again, I've never tried this one before, but I'm hoping it will taste pretty good. Then here we got the mocha flavor. I've actually tried this like back in 2017, believe it or not. Like, I used to order their supplements like back in the day. And from what I remember, it was a really good flavor. So I'm really excited to be trying this out again. And then lastly, we got the birthday cake flavor. So again, I've never tried this one before, but I'm very excited to try this one out. Last but certainly not least, we got the My Protein layered bar. I've been wanting to try their protein bars out for the longest time. I see so many good reviews about them. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna eat this. Not now, but like later. Hopefully in today's video. You'll have to find out. So if you guys are in need of any new protein powders or creatine or any other supplement, be sure to go to the My my protein website. The link is down below in the description. And if you guys want to get 45% off your entire order, all you gotta do is put in the code Cohnan MYP and you'll get your discount. So every morning I like to make my breakfast fresh and from scratch because I have some extra time in the morning. So what I do is I'll grab a pot, add 80 grams of oats to it with 500 milliliters of water, cook it until it's cooked, add 100 grams of frozen blueberries with some salt, and that's pretty much it. And then on the side I'll make 4 whole eggs, and that's pretty much breakfast. After breakfast is done, I'll let it digest a bit, then I'll go over to the gym, workout. Today was a leg workout, it was a super solid session. After the workout was done, I go over to work, and that's where I'll have my prepped meals. So the first meal we had was some chicken, rice, and avocado. I unfortunately could not film myself eat it on my camera because it was actually really busy at work. There was this guy fixing the fridge, which was kind of annoying because I was really expecting to film today, but it is what it is. After he got done with that, we ate our second meal, which was the rice, beef and spinach meal. Then after that was done, I prepped 2 more meals. So the next meal we have here is just some cream of wheat with a scoop of protein powder. And now with the cream of wheat, I don't really meal prep it necessarily. All I really do is I just put some cream of wheat into a container and then I just microwave it while I'm at work here. I just add a bit of water, microwave it, cook it until it's cooked, and then just add a scoop of protein powder on top. So on top of here, we got the chocolate mint protein powder flavor from my protein. Very looking forward to this. And as you guys know, I like to sludge up my protein. I don't really enjoy drinking my protein shakes because it just feels like almost like a waste. I like to be more creative with my protein powder and turn it into sludge like this. So we're gonna give this a quick little taste test, see if it lives up to the hype, even though it wasn't really hyped up at all. But let's just pretend this was like really hyped up. Anyway, let's just eat this. That's definitely chocolatey and minty. Like literally, I think they nailed this flavor. That's actually really good. Tastes exactly like chocolate mints. Wow, it's actually very minty. Almost has like the aftertaste of like toothpaste in a way, which I weirdly really like. I don't know, man, it's weird, but yeah, I'm gonna eat this right now, and then we got one more similar meal to eat after this. Alrighty guys, so we're about to close up the store, but before I go, I gotta try out this new birthday cake flavor from my protein in, of course, my cream of wheat in the form of sludge. So this is pretty much the exact same meal I had previously. 60 grams of cream of wheat, microwaved with some cinnamon and salt. Then on top I added some fresh banana and 2 tablespoons. Hey, what's up? And some peanut butter on top as well. So it should turn into something like this. It looks honestly very good. So let's give this a quick little taste test. Wow. Okay, this is actually, I'll just say right now, this is better than a chocolate mint one I had earlier. It's probably just like personal preference, but that's actually really good. Birthday cake flavor? Damn, that's like, it's up there amongst the top 5, I would say. So yeah, gonna eat this right now and then have the last and final meal of the day, which is 1 cup of cottage cheese with 100 grams of frozen strawberries. So that's pretty much everything that I eat in a day. So prepping your meals or meal prepping not only saves you so much money in the long run, it also saves you so much time from just prepping your meals individually every single day. So I highly recommend, if you're not already, especially if you have a job where you're super busy throughout the day, to just prep your meals. It only takes about like an hour to prep all of your meals for the week and you're set to go. It may not look super appetizing, but oh, I just spilled some. It may not look super appetizing, but it definitely gets the job done, and it's high in protein. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to go give this video a thumbs up. I would highly appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.